Greetings YouTube, it's me, Blazing Larvesta, and for this video, I'm going to teach you how for and while loops work. So in the last video, I went over if statements and user inputs, which I will be using again and via the Java util scanner file and through here. So basically this program asks for a positive number and this program asks the user for a positive number, and once they input a number, it will count every number from 0 all the way to the number in question. However, if the user happens to input a number that's 0 or a negative number, or this while statement right here will keep booting them out until they input a positive number. All right, so let's see the program in action. All right, so enter a positive number, and this code will print every number from 0 to it. All right, so yeah, so like if someone wanted to try being all sneaky and input it, say -5, then it'll boot them out and then say please enter a positive number and even if they like. Now, if this were an if statement, this would only work once before the program would end, and then the player would have to go, and the user would have to go Java basic for loop again. So, but since this is a while loop, it'll keep on going until j equals a positive number. So like say I want to do like -3, and yeah, it'll still say please enter a positive number. So like. Now let's work at the problem. Now let's try using the program properly and put a positive number like this time. Let's say like 10. All right, and see every number from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now printing and now enter a positive number, and now if we're to do number like 3, then like again for each number from I all the way to the number inputted, it'll print out the number in question. Yeah, but like again, the while loop will keep asking for positive numbers, like specifically here with this j input dot next int. I on the other hand will always be 0 before slowly going up all the way to the number that the user inputted. Like, so anyways, that's how while and for statements work. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the rest of my videos. This is the Blazing Larvesta signing out. Take care.